Welcome back. He wore the jersey first. Now his son wears it with pride. Different eras. These are the greatest father-son duos in football history. Let's go. Father, 53 years. Son, 27 years. Father, 56 years. Son, 23 years. Father, 55 years. Son, 29 years. Father, 51 years. Son, 22 years. Father, 50 years. Son, 22 years. Father, 57 years. Son, 26 years. Father, 52 years. Son, 24 years. Father, 59 years. Son, 34 years. Father, 54 years. Son, 27 years. Father, 48 years. Son, 26 years. Father, 52 years. Son, 30 years. Father, 58 years. Son, 25 years. Father, 53 years. Son, 27 years. Father, 61 years. Son, 38 years. Father, Son, 51 years. Father, 63 years. Son, 35 years. Father, 76 years. Son, 46 years. Father, 60 years. Son, 35 years. Father, 57 years. Son, 36 years. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.